Hi there, I'm Barry from John's Welding, and I'm going to show you our firewood wrapping machine. This is our hand crank rental. It has 3 grease screws on it, 1 in here by the belt, 2 on the bearings here, and that's all the maintenance there is to it. Takes a 12-inch roll of shrink wrap, 80 gauge preferably, and there's nuts here with a spring to adjust tension. Now I'll wrap a bundle in our machine for you. There's 2 rings here you just stack the wood in. This one's a 10-inch with a half cradle in the front. Fill and rings up and wrap it. And we put a flyer in each one of our bundles with our name on it for advertising. Usually we go 8 times around so the plastic don't break on the bundle. And that's how you make a bundle in our machine.